Hey, this is Brian Stevens with eXp Realty. Right behind me is the Arabella model. I'm going to do a slower walkthrough with you on this home. It is absolutely beautiful. One of my favorites that Hulbert builds. It's so practical and yet it's so well laid out. It's wide open design. This one's 4-bedroom, 3-bath, plus an office, plus a bonus room. And I love the high ceilings. You're going to see a lot more, but I'm going to give you an idea of what this home looks like. Walk through it at a slower pace so you can actually feel like you're here with me, walking through this home to get a good idea of the layout. Okay, so let's go take a look. All right, so we are in front of the Arabella at 5277 Delphi Hills, and it's like the perfect Florida day. Birds are chirping. There's no clouds in the sky. It is the end of February 2024, and I want to show you the street view from this one. Now we have other lots that we can also build on. We have one right across the street as of the shooting of this video. And but the idea of this video is to give you an idea of this particular design. Now we can put different exteriors on this home. This was more of a modern twist, but know that Mark Hulbert can put pretty much anything you want to do with the exterior, he can work with you on. He is a custom builder. This is a market-ready home, also going to be used as a model home. And so let's go take a look at it. A couple things. I'm going to walk up from this way to give you an idea of some of the signature features that a Hulbert home has to offer. First of all, you're going to get real pavers, real brick pavers, not some paver overlay, okay? And that's the signature Hulbert Homes mark, if you will. And you can see this extended driveway is really nice size. This is a side entry 3-car garage, which we'll see the inside of that in just a second. This is a nice lot size, over 1/3 of an acre, fully landscaped all the way around, if you'll notice over here. And again, beautiful landscaping job. You have natural gas in Delphi Hills, which is a rare find, I believe, in Lakeland at this point. Not a lot of communities do, but this community does have natural gas. So you can see some of the elevation, and when you walk up, get the nice double doors. And they really did a nice job with the staining on this to match the kind of the gray, the silver look. So when you walk right in, you're going to see this is real wood floors. And if you look straight up, crown molding everywhere in the main areas of the home. Now, when you walk in, to the right is going to be the office. There is a closet. We're not counting this as a bedroom, although you could, but it's really set up for an office. Double doors. Let's go inside and take a look at it. A lot of natural light. I've got the lights on, but again, if you didn't want to, you don't have to have the lights on. So I'm gonna show you this home. I'm gonna walk in here and finish up, but check out, this is right here. This is what it's all about. Beautiful wood beams in the ceilings. Open design. Check out this kitchen. This is the kitchen of all kitchens. All the cabinet space, all the counter space. Area for a large, kind of like a farm table or large, in this case, that's an 8-person sitting table. It's a triple split design. That's the master bedroom. We're gonna see that in a minute. This is a wet bar area. Again, you've got the nice high crown molding here. Hulbert Homes has great trim carpenters. They do really, really nice work. Wood windowsills, 2-year builder warranty. Okay, so I'm gonna go back left. So you saw right with the office. Now coming left, just so you can kind of get an idea, this is a nice sized laundry room. Cabinets here, and then this is a ceramic tile floors. If you build, you get to custom pick all of this. This one's already picked, it's a market-ready home. Now, this 3-car garage, you can see the epoxy flooring. Garage door openers, there's a pull-down attic stairs. That's what that hook is there for, to pull those stairs down. There's your breaker box. You can see it's really nice garage flooring too. Triple windows there. We have some of our open house signs propped up there. So coming in, let's go to the right so we can look at the master or primary suite. I'm gonna properly call that. And you have an entrance as you walk in here, and then this is the master bedroom. With the tray ceilings with the light up there. Double windows. This one has the window overlooking the area which we're gonna go out. You can always do French doors there if you build, or sliding doors, whatever. You'll also see another one of the things about Hulbert Homes is the raised baseboards, 5 1/4. You can see the trim work here again. This is not your production type of home. This is really, really great quality. Now walking into this master bathroom, I'm gonna come back to those closets. Check out this when you first walk in here. It's beautiful. It's got quartz countertops. It's really nice on this design. This one has a linen closet right there. Check out this walk-in shower. You can see it's got the double shower head and then the rain head there. That's the drain right here. Nice and slick, custom. Love the color combination here. Coming back, you can see the place for some storage there. Triple knobs there. And then let me show you this. This is really nice too. So for your shampoos, again, that's standard, okay? So looking out of the shower this way, let me take you and show you this nice size cabinet and counter. All right. This is your toilet room area with the privacy door there. Now you have 2 walk-in closets. This is the one to the right when you first come in the room. And it even winds around here. You can see this is nice custom shelving here. This is wood. Okay, then over here, the hubby gets the smaller closet. Right, still good size walk in. A little hard to tell from the video, I know, but really there's a lot of floor space here. As I'm backing up, you kind of see a little bit of space behind the door, not much. But then you do have double doors here, so if you want to close off this master bathroom, you can do that for privacy purposes from the bedroom itself or the hallway leading to the master bedroom. And this is where you spend most of your time right here. So let's head out here to the pool area. Again, you've got real pavers, real brick pavers here everywhere. Saltwater pool. You can always add the heater if you want. This particular one does not have a heater, but it's a nice, huge pool with a swim out right here. Big screened pool area. And then you can see this is really nice. There's storage straight ahead here. Pool storage with the louvered door, which is good for circulation. That's the master bedroom window. And then you do get this area too for store your drinks. It's like a wet bar. Again, this is quartz countertop, sink. And then this is another staple Hulbert tradition. Look at the beautiful wood ceilings. These are painted a lot of times a darker color, but with the theme of the gray going on here, it's just a great kind of a multi-stain beige and gray color combination. It's really, really pretty. Now in Delphi Hills, we are, as you might see, we're up here a little bit. For Lakeland, we don't have many hills, but this was up a little higher. You can actually see over in the Winter Haven area. So because of this, you have to have the pool, in this case, is lowered because of the lot. Every single lot will be a little bit different. Like in this case to the right, you can see there's actually like a wall. Their pool is up a little bit higher, but there's a larger, like a large wall that there'll be steps to go down to the backyard. So every one of them is laid out a little bit differently. And once we would sit down and talk to you, we can kind of explain how that would work with your particular pool. So let's head back inside. show off this kitchen area. You can see all the bar stools here. It's ideal. This is a closet pantry. Usually this up, but you can kind of see the area here again, which goes way up here. And then the stainless steel appliances. Now let me show you this side too. You got the built-in trash can in the cabinets, dishwasher. Nice backsplash. This is gas. Again, you don't have a lot of gas, but you do have natural gas. So if you want to have a gas option, you don't have to, but you can. And then this particular one has the separate fridge and separate freezer. Okay, so this is the Frigidaire upper line. You can see it's really nice. And then the freezer, the same type thing. So fridge, freezer. Let's head to the back of the house. So just so you can kind of keep there's right here, down this hall is 2 bedrooms, and then there's an ensuite, which I'm gonna show you that in a minute. So back here, heading back to the bonus room. You could also hit the pool off this area. This closet is gonna be for the hall bathroom. I'm gonna show you in just a second, a linen closet, but check out this bonus room. It's so well decorated. Now this is a bonus room / bedroom because there's a nice sized closet right here. Okay, and again, you've got the doors opening up to the pool area. So when you first walk down here, this bedroom, nice sized bedroom. Closets around to the left. You can also see where they hang the pre-wire, if you will, for the cable. You can put a flat screen right here. So that's already wired for you. Out here in Delphi Hills, we have Frontier for your internet and for your cable TV. So this is the full bath with a tub. And then this bedroom is ideal for a parent, an in-law, a guest. The closet's to the left, but it's got the ensuite right here, which is really nice. With a linen closet. Man, you don't see that a lot. Here's the linen closet, and again, a window. But check out this nice size ensuite. It's got a walk-in shower. I'll show you that in a minute, but this kind of give you an idea of this size. Toilet area, and then I love this just smooth transition from the tile to the tile of the shower. It's hard to see a shower on a video, I know, but this kind of gives you an idea of, and then there's a little seat back here. Probably showing you more than you care to see, but there's a little area for your shampoo. Ladies, shave your legs, little bench there. And then the shower door to keep the water inside the shower. There is a pocket door here for privacy. Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea of this particular floor plan. So it's a great open design. You can see this is where you hang out. All the lighting in here is just absolutely gorgeous. So if you'd like to see this particular floor plan or any others we have, I'd love to talk to you about this Arabella model is a favorite. Okay, my contact information, 863-647-8600. Call or text me on that. Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Have a great day.